Get in, we're going shopping. I mean, we're going to Disney.
We're parked. Ready to go. What are you doing? Why are you? But we're here. We got the parking pass. We're ready to go. It's 9:50-ish. That clock's wrong. We're ready to. Why are you? Who are you trying to impress?
No one.
How much makeup do you have in there? Oh my god! Look how big this bag is.
It doesn't have to be beautiful. Happy Disney Day, everyone. So here's my outfit. It's gold and gold. And Jackie's is pink. It's the new Sakura pink from Tokyo Disney. And green. As we're literally checking into our hotel, we hit 500 subscribers. So if we can hold it down for a week, then we will be doing our 500 subscriber giveaway, so check back. Ooh. Disneyland. My cousin's here. My YouTube cousin. He doesn't know we're cousins, but we are.
There's Puppers over there. Puppers! He has no idea he's gonna stay at the most magical kennel on earth.
Look how empty it is. I really thought it was gonna be crazy. Yeah. Oh my god. Whoa. I don't know why, I've never noticed that.
I haven't either, but what do you want to buy?
I told you something fun.
Yeah, that's a lot of things.
Oh no. Donald's in his normal outfit. Minnie's in her normal outfit.
It's over.
No, it's not. Don't say that. Look at that castle. Looking good. There's a world out there. Da, 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 da. Oh my god, look at it! Look at it! In all of its beautifulness. Look at the intricate detail. How vibrant it is. You can imagine how much more beautiful this would have been if it was a nice sunny day.
Lift your chin, look at the camera, smile.
You're doing so good. Great job. Very, very pretty.
Yeah, except my school pictures are always like. And mom was like, you know, I paid $40 for this picture. You couldn't smile. I don't want to meet Tinkerbell, but I want to go see it, and I feel personally attacked that I can't just walk in there and then be like, nah.
I think you can just walk there and be like, nah.
I don't want to. Like, what if there's not even a line, and then you're like the only one in there, and Tinkerbell's like, hi, did you come to meet me? And you're like, no.
We switched ears.
That head's too fat.
What did you say?
Ricola.
I remember when it used to be 2 riders per seat.
The box head lines.
No.
The seating diagram overhead.
We're gonna go see the Yeti. Oh no! Ah! Well, that's not good. Oh wow. That looks really bad. Oh my god! There's a Yeti on this ride! Did you know that?
I didn't.
Woo! That really throws you out of the mood.
I think we survived.
Yeah!
Or we died.
Well, that wasn't as rough as I remember it being.
No.
But it could still definitely use a new system for sure, because there's definitely a little bit of jiggling happening on that ride. Autotopia. Powered by your car. Oh, yep, there's that smell. Hi-ho! Silver! Away! I'm on gas duty!
Oh my god, be careful, their feet are there.
It's okay, they're safe, they're in the red zone.
Be careful.
I'm gonna stop.
No, don't stop. Oh my god. You're about to be off gas duty.
The fumes hurt my eyes. Jim, keep your hands on the wheel.
I have one hand on the wheel.
Oh, hey.
Oh my God, go!
Okay, fine.
Move your foot.
No. He's texting and driving.
Oh no. So these are much easier to control than Disney World.
How's he passing us?
I don't know, maybe because you kept stopping.
No.
Oh my God, we went off-road.
Ah, my God, what happened?
I think we're cheating.
Oh man, they both passed us.
And we even cheated.
This is the ride that never ends.
That's why I never want to do this ride.
We're in the fast lane.
Oh my God, stop. Okay, go.
Why do you not trust my driving?
Because you don't pay attention, oh my God.
Oh my God, the last time we were here, this was not open. And I'm super stoked. Welcome to Pizza Planet. He's kind of small, but he is big. So I'm gonna get this one because I'm fatty at my heart. So we got the vegetable pizza. Oh my God, there's olives on it. I didn't realize that.
Yeah.
And we got the barbecue pizza. And then we got the macaron because apparently Disney has a mean macaron. Oh my God.
Oh God.
Oh God, what's happening? Oh wow, that was just not pleasant for anybody.
We need a napkin. Swaddling with such purpose.
Alright, it's opening weekend. Star Wars Galaxy Edge merchandise is all out. Oh, you should pet it. It feels cute. So many pins. Oh, so these are all the opening weekend ones?
Yeah.
Likes to be petted. Oh, it's only 5 minutes. Full Buzz Lightyear's Astro Blasters. Oh man, that's a lot of dead space things. That one's super dead. Did you see that one? That's what happens when you fail the mission.
Together we will defeat Buzz Lightyear. My secret weapon,
How? You're so much better at this than I am.
I'm a space scout. I look at my score, look at your score. Here, I finally beat you.
Maple bacon churro.
This one's the maple bacon. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
I hate it.
I'm gonna keep eating it, okay?
Okay.
Alright, bye.
Bye. There she goes.
When the time's rough ahead and you're miles and miles from your nice warm bed, you say, just remember, old pal said, well, you got a friend in me. You got a friend in me.
It's a visor.
I don't know how to snap. Don't you feel so special? Can you see a special preview of this special movie? It appears that Toy Story 4 is going to be tugging at our heartstrings again. Hyperspace Mountain! Okay, right! Left! Right! Oh wait, wrong ride!
That's why I'm trying not to peek face.
Oh my gosh! We're finally gonna ride the monorail! Tell you about that LA traffic. Here it comes to pick us up. Are you saying because you're claustrophobic you don't want to go in there?
Yeah. And they just close the cockpit up.
1 hour later.
We finally made it back to the park entrances. And that monorail thought it could get rid of us. Jokes on it. Oh, look at Minnie. She's trying so hard to console that poor baby who is just not having it. One of these days we are going to eat there, I swear. Jackie, we only have 8 minutes to make it to Guardians of the Galaxy Mission Breakout. With this epic music in mind, do you think we can make it?
I think we can.
Do you think we can save Rocket and his fellow Guardians from the Galacta?
I think so. Money.
Look, it's Groot. He's so tall.
I was like, what's going on? Are you communicating?
My friends, you're one step closer to your exciting encounter with the Guardians of the Galaxy. You are now standing in my private office.
I know.
Where I carefully
scrutinize each and every piece that comes to me from different parts of the galaxy that let's you this guy. Hearing your incessant blathering on a constant loop was big motivation for me to escape. I go, ouch! Ow! That was not part of the plan. Why? Of course I escaped. For those of you who have not been paying attention, the name's Rocket, one of the Guardians of the Galaxy. The smart one.
I think we ran into him today on one of the rides.
Yeah, it was called the Orca. It made an eloquent sound.
Scan complete. You may now enter the gantry lift.
Rocket unplugs you and starts things
This is not going to end well for anyone.
Now show me those hands, people!
So we have 6 minutes to make it to our reservation. We are all the way over here, enjoying the music. That's effing adorable. This is Jackie's favorite cartoon character on Disney Junior.
It's not the last.
T-minus 3 minutes. And we've now made it to the street. I don't think we're gonna make it. 1 minute, and we're just now approaching Cars Land. Do you want to ride, Mater?
I know.
Okay, we still have 1 minute apparently. That's like the longest 1 minute. Oh, no, we're late. We are late. Do you think that we should ride that today? Or should we wait till your mom is here, have her go on it, and that way we can laugh at her instead of getting scared? Alright, and here we are at Pixar Piers Lamplight Lounge. 2 minutes too late. I'm just kidding, I gotta let us in. I feel like you're lounging here at the Lamplight Lounge. We're not 100% sure how we're supposed to eat because the table is shorter than our legs. And that's just not feasible. I'm unlocking your heart. Safety first, children. Don't forget to smell for cookies in this section, guys. That's so good!
they say that they.
I wouldn't say that, Jesse.
There's a rooster that I'm gonna show you because I relate to the rooster.
So I don't think that we mentioned that food that we just had at the restaurant was super duper good, and we really loved it. And as always, you should guys should go there. But right now we have to go to Tomatoes Jamboree. He's so happy. Gooch over.
This is mine. I don't know where you're
No, 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 no. Revenge! Hey there, big bulldozer.
For people like us, with a winner in the summer, and we got fun.
So I'm gonna show this to Jackie when she gets back. I bet she's gonna love it. Okay, here she is. I'm gonna show her the thing. We're gonna see if she reacts the way I thought she would. Firstly, look at this shirt. But anyways. Oh, that's so cute. Yeah. It's so little though. I'm so conflicted because I'm like rose gold everything. It is Tinkerbell, and I'm really a Tinkerbell girl. We didn't see this last time we were here. Just trying to make our way over to Indiana Jones. Oh, I like your hair. Now we plunge to the prison of my mind. This room both grosses me out and reminds me so much of the wild thornberries. You stepped on a diamond. Woman. Oh, what? I'm not scared, I'll tug it.
Next time, you're on your own.
No one asked you for your help, sir. Yay, Big Thunder Mountain. My goal is to recite the safety instructions. Permanezca sentado. Mantengan sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren. Y cuida los niños. Best remove them, because this here's the wildest ride in the wilderness. Is it bad that I know the Spanish one better? We'll be back on the 15th for you. Just you wait. So I was thinking about it, and I realized that the Disneyland 54 challenge, or whatever it's about to become, is going to be hell. Because you have to go around the river 3 times. Like, I don't want to go around the river 3 times. He does look really sad. Bring buddies go laughing, to go ho ho, take that brown turn upside down. So it appears that we might actually get a little wet.
Wash your hands. Have a zippity doo-dah ride.
Someone said we wouldn't get wet.
I thought being in the back row we'd be safe, but apparently there is no such thing as safe on this ride. Oh my god, look at all that water.
I hope you get wet. Kidding. I hope you don't get wet.
She's so mean to me.
Very wet.
Howdy. Time to get moving along. We're coming up to our first fall. No, 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 no.
Lie. You lied to me.
No, Pooh Bear, no, don't leave. Pooh Bear, no. Why, Pooh, why? Winnie the Pooh. We're in a honey pot. Honey pot. Honey pot.
It's a beehive.
Oh, it's a beehive.
Before your eyes, you'll see them multiply.
Yeah. There's the entrance to Galaxy's Edge. Alright, so we're not gonna ride it right now. But I love it when this happens. Thank you so much. Oh my god, it's his birthday cake. So cute. Welcome to Cosland. It is officially the cold hour. Basically, no matter what time of the year you come here, the day you may be hot, but at night, you will always be cold. Ooh, we're getting a sports car. Get out of our sports. Wait, what? We're getting a red car. Yeah, we are for sure. There's no question of it. It's so bright!
You won!
Is that just everyone? Yeah. Everyone's a winner here, even when you come in dead last. Did you know the Zarya was back here? Nope. It's Midway Mania time.
Last call, last 30 seconds.
This is the Sorcerer Mickey funnel cake fries.
You're gonna have some interesting food tonight.
I know. This is the most delicious dessert that Disney has ever made. Back to Carsland, show you guys what it looks like at night. Wow, look at these prices. 63 cents per gallon.
You gotta be careful which pump you go to though, because this one,
That's messed up.
Walt Disney presents They promised us we weren't gonna get soaked, and here we are, totally wet.
but that's what you get when you're like right up against the water.
Ladies and gentlemen, Disney
Yeah?
California Adventure is now closing for the day. For your pleasure, the shops on Buena Vista Street will remain open for an additional 30 minutes.
Oh, we're gonna lose the camera. Bye camera. Yeah, bye camera. The camera's gonna die now. Check it out really fast. Thanks for watching. We hope that you guys have had a wonderful day with us and that your weekend was just as great or better. As always, stay safe, stay happy, and most importantly, stay you, and we will see you guys next time. Bye.
Thank you for joining us for Worlds of Color. May you enjoy a pleasant evening.